In today's video, why I stopped hiring house cleaners, and you may want to reconsider too, I'll share my personal journey of redefining how I approach cleaning and maintaining my home. We'll explore the deep connection between our living spaces and mental well-being, and how the simple act of cleaning can transform our mindset. From turning chores into mindful rituals to discovering the surprising benefits of personalized cleaning, join me as I delve into why stepping away from outsourcing house cleaning has brought newfound clarity and joy to my life, and how it might do the same for you. 1. That first moment walking in after cleaning. There's a moment after you've finished cleaning, when you walk back into your own living room, and everything looks brighter, almost like the air itself is lighter. The scent of lemon polish, the sunlight glancing off a freshly wiped table, the softness of an uncluttered couch. It all comes together in a way that just feels different when you've done it yourself. I never got this feeling from walking into a space after a professional cleaner left. It's not about perfection, it's about connection. You notice the small things. A cushion out of place, a fingerprint on the fridge, and you care, because it's yours. That emotional boost is real, and it lingers far longer than the fleeting convenience of outsourcing. The sense of pride I feel now is something I never got from paying someone else. 2. Turning chores into everyday mindfulness rituals. I used to rush through cleaning, or just avoid it altogether, but once I took it back into my own hands, I found myself slowing down. Wiping down countertops became a chance to notice the veins in the marble. Vacuuming meant watching the patterns change in the carpet, almost like art. It's a bit like the reset designers talk about when staging a home, creating a visual pause that calms the mind. This practice of mindful cleaning, being fully present, has shifted my entire relationship with my home. I'm not just scrubbing a floor, I'm crafting a sanctuary. The process itself is almost meditative, and I believe that shows in the way my home now feels. 3. Design psychology starts with your own hands. Interior designers often say that the way you care for your space impacts how you experience it. This is design psychology in action. When I clean, I see how the flow of a room encourages, or disrupts, daily routines. For example, I realized that simply moving my entryway bench 2 feet closer to the door made my whole family more likely to take off their shoes and keep the floors tidy. Details like this, subtle but significant, get overlooked when you're not engaged with your own space. Staging experts know that a single misplaced chair can make a room feel cramped or open, and cleaning connects you directly to those micro decisions. 4. The true cost of outsourcing your care. On paper, hiring a cleaner is a time saver, but the numbers tell a more complicated story. According to recent HomeAdvisor data, the average cleaning visit costs between $100 and $250. Multiply that by just 2 visits a month, and you're spending up to $6,000 a year. Enough for a new kitchen island or a luxurious accent wall. That's not counting the invisible cost, the lost sense of ownership and daily engagement with your home. Redirecting that budget toward home upgrades, like better lighting or custom window treatments, can actually boost your home's value and transform your daily life. It's not just about saving money, it's about investing it where it matters most. 5. Cleaning as a mood booster and stress reliever. There's science behind why a clean home feels so good. Researchers at UCLA's Center on Everyday Lives found that cluttered spaces spike cortisol, the stress hormone, while neat homes have the opposite effect. When I clean, I literally feel my shoulders drop and my mind clear. Even a quick 10-minute tidy up can shift the energy in a room and in my body. It's not about chasing perfection, but about creating a space where you can actually relax and recharge. A well-ordered home gives you a psychological edge, something buyers, stagers, and designers have known for years. 6. Small shifts that change everything. You don't need to overhaul your cleaning routine overnight. I started by dedicating 15 minutes a day to a single area, sometimes just a shelf or a drawer. This micro-cleaning approach makes the task less intimidating and more satisfying. Designers call this Zoning, breaking a space into manageable parts to make it more livable and beautiful. Over time, these small efforts add up, transforming not only how your home looks but how it feels to live in it. Asterisk little wins stack up, giving you momentum and motivation to keep going. Asterisk 7. Personalizing your space with every wipe. No professional cleaner knows your home's quirks like you do. The sticky spot on the kitchen island where your kids do their homework, or the way the afternoon light hits your favorite reading chair. When you handle the cleaning, you start to see these details as features, not flaws. You might rearrange a lamp, swap out throw pillows, or even decide to repaint a wall, because you're paying attention. This is how designers discover what makes a space unique. Asterisk every cleaning session becomes a chance to make your home more you. Asterisk 8. The resale edge. Clean means higher offers. It's not just a feeling. Data backs up the value of a clean home. According to a recent Zillow analysis, homes described as immaculate sell for up to 10% more than similar properties. Buyers notice when a home is cared for, and that first impression starts with cleanliness. Stagers say that even a 1-inch difference in the way you arrange furniture can make a space look dramatically larger and more inviting. Regular, hands-on cleaning keeps you attuned to these details, which can pay off big when it's time to sell. Asterisk a sparkling home is a silent sales pitch that buyers can't ignore. Asterisk 9. Connecting with community through shared habits. Once I stopped outsourcing, I found myself swapping cleaning hacks and storage ideas with friends and neighbors. Suddenly, we were all in it together, challenging each other to try new techniques or tackle a closet purge. There's a camaraderie that comes from sharing these rituals. It's like being part of a secret club of people who know the power of a well-kept home. These conversations have deepened my sense of belonging, and made home care feel less lonely and more communal. Asterisk it turns out, cleaning connects us as much as it cleans our spaces. Asterisk 10. The surprising freedom of letting things go. As I got more involved with my own cleaning, I started shedding stuff I didn't need. Minimalism wasn't just a design trend, it became a practical way to make cleaning easier and my home calmer. Letting go of extra knick-knacks and outdated decor made my rooms feel bigger, airier, and more intentional. Designers call this editing, and it's the secret to making any room feel like a magazine spread. Asterisk a decluttered space is a decluttered mind, and it all starts with getting your own hands dirty. Asterisk.